Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is 10 lines on sparrow in English. If this video is helpful for you, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Now let's see. The sparrow is a very small bird. The color of sparrow is brown, white and black. It has two eyes, two short legs and a small beak. Sparrow birds are always found in flocks. The sparrow makes a sound chirp chirp. The main food of sparrow is food grains, flowers and seeds. The sparrows build their nest on trees. Sparrows lay their eggs in the nest. It has two wings that help them fly. Sparrow Day is observed every year on 20th March. Thanks for watching.